how to set up language and voice presets for each person using Live Translate in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then we go down and tap on Settings. In here, tap on Live Translate. Now scroll down, and in here, tap on Language and Voice Presets for each person. From here, tap on Add Number or Contact, and then we're going to add in a contact. So this is a sample contact here, and here we select a person's language. So choose a language that they use. You can also tap on the Add Languages to add in other languages. And then tap on OK. After that, for yourself, you can choose a language. So you can choose the language that you use. And you can choose a voice.
This is what it sounds like when.
This is what it sounds.
For the other person, you can select the language. So if they are speaking Korean, you select Korean. If they are speaking Arabic, you can download the language pack, and you can select that particular language. You can also select their voice, so voice 1 or voice 2.
통화를 번역할 때 이렇게 들립니다.
And then tap on the back key, and then tap on the back key, and that's it. So that is a specific settings for one contact. Now you can continue to add in a number or a contact, and you can set a custom voice and language for that person. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.